This blackberry coffee cake has been on repeat in our house all summer long. Start with the crumb topping by combining your flour, brown sugar, butter, and some salt. It's all mixed together. It should look like this, and then just pop it in the fridge to chill. The cake batter, we're going to combine flour, brown sugar, white sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Make sure those are well combined, and then we're going to add in our butter and some vegetable oil for moisture. Once the dry ingredients are coated, you can add in your eggs and then a little bit of vanilla. Mix that in, and then finally you can add your sour cream. Give it another mix, and then your batter will be ready to pop into your springform pan. I like using a springform pan for this recipe because it makes it so much easier to remove once it's done. Once your batter's in the pan, you want to smooth out the top, add your blackberries, and then top it all with that crumb topping we made earlier. Pop it in the oven to bake, and then once it comes out, you want to let it cool completely. And then you can add on a little bit of vanilla icing if you like. This is my favorite part because it just makes it a little sweeter. And then your blackberry coffee cake is ready to serve. Save this recipe for your next get together or brunch, or just when you want a little bit of a sweet treat in the morning. I mean, it does have blackberries, so that means it's healthy, right? Get this full recipe at ShanaeToday.com.